Yeah. So he was translating, first of all, for newspapers. They serialized, his translated works by Émile Zola, by a lot by Tolstoy, not War and Peace, but Anna Karenina and Kreutzer Sonata and other. I think that nine works by Tolstoy were translated. I shouldn't say translated in the modern sense of the word, but I think that in those days it was a translation. A lot of adaptations to the Jewish culture. So, for instance, when he translated Hamlet for the Yiddish theater in New York at that time, Hamlet was a rabbinical student in the beginning of the play, yeah, and then a lot of things happened to him. And he did a lot of adjustments that he thought would get the readers, first of all, into that kingdom, let them be familiarized, get familiarized with the themes that European writers and playwrights wrote about. And then again, he wrote for a special publishing house, which was called the Hebrew Publishing House. And it was, there were many tiny books that they published, mostly 90 pages long. So just, bear in mind that he took many, many works by many writers and trimmed them and changed them in a kind of a logical way to make them 90 pages long, each of them. And because, they didn't want to invest a lot of money. They didn't know if people would buy it. So 90 pages. So he translated also Boccaccio, the Cameron. And he translated Émile Zola, I said. Who else? Many others. Swift, Jonathan Swift, Gulliver, and Sherlock Holmes, Conan Doyle, and really much more.